Hello everyone. In this question, it is given that if a, b, c are real numbers such that a square plus b square plus c square is positive, then we have to find the nature of roots of this equation x square plus a plus b plus c times x plus a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0. Okay, so the given equation is x square plus a plus b plus c times x plus a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. We are given that a, b, c are real numbers and a square plus b square plus c square is positive. Okay, so the discriminant of this equation will be b square, that is coefficient of x, that is a plus b plus c whole square minus 4 times 1. 1 is coefficient of x square a, and constant term is a square plus b square plus c square. So on expanding this first term becomes a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca minus 4 times a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so this there is 1 times this a square plus b square plus c square, right, on opening the bracket, and there are negative 4 times this. So this will become 2 times this first, I'm writing this ab plus bc plus ca minus, this is 1 time plus and this is minus 4 times this term. Okay, so this becomes negative 3 times this a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so directly there is no comparison between AB, BC, CA and this term, right? So now let me try to find the value of this a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus c minus a whole square. Okay, so since these are real numbers, these squares are non-negative, right? This will be a non-negative term, this will be a non-negative term, this will be a non-negative term, and all of these terms, if you sum them, the sum will also be non-negative, right? And this will be equal to 0, the sum will be equal to 0 only if a equal to b, so this will become 0, this will become 0 if b equal to c, and this will become 0 if c equal to a. Otherwise this will be a positive sum. Okay, so on expanding this, I will get a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 2bc plus c square plus c square minus 2ac plus a square. So if I take this a square, b square and c square common, this will become 2 times a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca greater than equal to 0. Okay, so if I change the side, this will become 2 times a square plus b square plus c square. This will be greater than or equal to 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. That is I can write it as 2 times ab plus bc plus ca is less than 2 times this, right? A square plus b square plus c square. So if I write this equation as 1, this discriminant of this quadratic equation, okay, and if I write this relation that I derived here as 2, and I substitute this using 2 in equation 1, okay, 1 was that discriminant of this equation was this 2 times ab plus bc plus ca minus 3 times this a square plus b square plus c square, right? Now this to be 2 times this is less than 2 times this, right? So if I substitute this here, the relation will change from equal to less than or equal to, and this will become 2 times a square plus b square plus c square minus 3 times this. So this on simplifying becomes negative times a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, now it was given that this a square plus b square plus c square is positive, right? This is given in the question. Okay, so since this is given in the question, if I use it now, this is a positive term and we have a negative sign here, right? So this implies that the discriminant will be less than 0. So this implies that nature of roots of given equation will be complex and occur in conjugate pairs. And this implies that there are no real roots. Okay, so this is the required answer. Okay, the roots are complex and there are no real roots. And for this, basically, I just need to use this relation. Okay, if you just do the discriminant part, you will be getting this expression, and we have to find some relation between this ABBCCA and a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so you can derive this from this sum of three squares that is non-negative. Okay, and from here the relation I have substituted this back in this discriminant part. From there it is observed that this a square b square c square, since this is positive and this sign is negative here, the discriminant value will be negative. So if this is negative, the roots will be non-real. It is complex and they will occur in conjugate pairs. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, the final answer is that the roots are complex and no real roots. Okay, so thank you.